Does money talk? Because it might say more than you think. The American $1 bill is full of magical symbolism. Many people know about the magical significance of the design of the Great Seal of the United States, yet they only know half the truth. The first part of the 911 prophecy showed how 911 in the American currency pattern is linked through a prophecy which unveiled the hidden meanings of the $1 bill. Now sit back, breathe deeply, and take a closer look into the core of the $1 bill and the Great Seal of the United States. We have been told that the seal of the United States is merely a coat of arms, or what is called a layman in magic. It is true that the Great Seal is a layman or coat of arms that represents uniting the original 13 colonies into one country, yet it is more than just a layman. The coat of arms is only half the story, albeit the only story you know. Let's look at the major magical symbolism found on the $1 bill. Looking at the obverse or front side of the $1 bill, our eyes land directly on the image of George Washington, and we are immediately reminded of his Masonic heritage and his dream of America. George is framed by the Greek letter Omega. The Omega on the $1 bill is a direct reference to God and the return of Christ to judge the world. Omega is the end of an old way of life for the start of a new, better way. On the square on the Treasury Department seal, there are 13 pentagram stars. The most frequently used symbolic reference found on the $1 bill is to the number 13, which means love and unity. Through the Hebrew system of Gematria, letters are broken down into numbers. The words love and unity both equate to the number 13. Similarly, in the Chinese system of I Ching, the number 13 relates to the trigram Tong Ren, which means seeking harmony, and love is harmony. Found on the reverse or back side of the $1 bill is a wealth of highly significant magical symbolism used in Western Kabbalistic ceremonial magic. On the center of the bill is the only English phrase used on the reversed side. It reads, "In God we trust," starting the reverse side off with a heavy religious and spiritual tone. "In God We Trust" came from a hymn or invocation to the American people by Aleister Crowley. It is an invocation to manifest the new aeon or age and drive America and the world into independence. The real magic takes place on the Great Seal of the United States. On the obverse side of the Great Seal, there are 13 arrows, 13 leaves and olives, 13 letters in E pluribus unum, 13 vertical stripes on the shield, and 13 stars in the cloud. Furthermore, the 13 pentagram stars are united into one hexagram star, symbolizing unity of man or woman with the universe. The unity of the macrocosm and the microcosm. As above, so below. As below, so above. A pentagram represents the microcosm, which is related to a human. A hexagram represents the universe. Uniting our microcosm with the macrocosm is our true goal in life. Looking at the reverse of the seal, we are again bombarded with 13. There are 13 letters in the phrase annuit coeptis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 steps in the pyramid. When a hexagram is superimposed over the pyramid, the letters A, S, M, O, and N are connected. A, S, M, O, and N spell Mason when rearranged. The founding Masonic artists left their autograph. The truncated pyramid with a capstone floating above is also a symbolic merging of the microcosm and the macrocosm. The base of the pyramid represents the microcosm, or human, and the eye in the capstone represents the macrocosm, or universe. The same eye is found on statues of Buddha as his third eye. This is the Eye of Horus, the all-seeing celestial eye. The pyramid is a representation of a person sitting in meditation. The capstone or keystone represents the brain. A capstone united with the truncated pyramid to make a complete pyramid represents the uniting with one's pineal gland and the complete usage of the brain. Your pineal gland has been atrophied since birth. You must wake it up and complete yourself. The pyramid and macrocosm are inside of everyone. People need to connect to their capstone and see the world how it really is. Opening your third eye is what this book is all about. When we fold $1 bills from right to left, and then top to bottom as the prophecy instructs, we obtain knowledge of the rest of the symbolism and intention of the Great Seal. When 2 quarters are placed beside one another, we see the eagle slammed into the pyramid. The eagle represents an airplane. The pyramid represents a tower. The eagle has landed. This image on the folded $1 bills holds the same symbolism as the Tower Tarot card. Tarot cards are not only used in fortune telling, they also each hold specific qualities and can be charged according to those qualities. The tarot is a pictorial representation of forces of nature as conceived by the ancients according to a conventional symbolism. The Tower Tarot card not only reflects the tragedy of 9/11 through its imagery. The force shown on the card by lightning and fire is the same force represented by the eagle on the $1 bill. The passive force shown by the building is the same passive force shown by the pyramid. The force in the Tower Tarot card is an emotional water energy that was put into action to produce a change in humanity. When 2 quarters are placed side by side so the opposite is showing from what was shown earlier, an eagle's head and an inverted triangle are seen. An eagle, more specifically an eagle's head, represents the active element of water in Western Kabbalistic magic. An inverted triangle represents the passive element of water.